Hi everyone, today I will show you how to fix Facebook dating not showing problem. Before moving on to the video, you can support me by liking the video and deliver this video to people who are looking for this video like you. Let's start. Our first solution is to give location permission to Facebook and turn on the location feature of our device. We open settings to give location permission to Facebook. Then we scroll down and click on apps. After that, we click on Manage Apps. We type Facebook in the search bar. Then, click on App Permissions. And finally, we give the location permission to Facebook. After doing this, we also turn on the location feature of our device. Now, you can check if the problem is solved or not. If the problem is not solved, we will move on to our second solution. Our second solution is to completely delete Facebook and reinstall it. To clear Facebook's data, we click on Settings. Then we click on Apps, and then we click on Manage Apps. We type Facebook in the search bar. After doing this, we click on Storage. We click on Clear Data, and we click on Clear All Data. We cleared Facebook's data. Now we will remove Facebook from our device and reinstall it. We enter the Play Store and reinstall Facebook again. We reinstalled Facebook. Now you can check if the problem is solved. Before I finish the video, there are a few things I want to mention. If you have deleted your Facebook dating profile, it is not possible to create a new profile for 7 days. In addition, if you have previously violated Facebook community standards with your Facebook account, it is possible that you will not be able to use Facebook dating. If that's the case, I recommend creating a new account. It is not possible to use Facebook dating immediately with your new account. You can use Facebook dating after at least 30 days. Make sure you have a reasonable amount of friends on your newly created account for the Facebook algorithm. The last thing I want to mention is to report the problem to Facebook. A few people have solved this problem by doing this. To do this, we open Facebook. When we shake our phone on the menu screen, Report a technical problem appears on the screen. We click on Report Problem. After doing this, we click on Include in Report. Now you can write the report that Facebook dating does not appear in your account in the Describe the Issue section and send the report. Do this at least 3 times. We have come to the end of the video. I hope this video was useful for you. If the video helped you, don't forget to like the video. You can also subscribe to my channel to support me. Take care and see you in the next video.